This is a Queens-bound N local train. The next stop is 57th Street, 7th Avenue. This is 57th Street, 7th Avenue. Transfer is available to the Q train. This is a Queens-bound N local train. The next stop is 5th Avenue, 59th Street. This is 5th Avenue, 59th Street. This is a Queens-bound N local train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. This is Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and R trains.
A free transfer is also available to the F and Q trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station and using your Metro card.
This is a Queensboro Plaza bound N local train. The next and last stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is Queensboro Plaza. Transfer is available to the 7 train.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.